guys, today I'm gonna be attempting to, what the heck, ignore that, okay, ignore it. Today I'm gonna be attempting to burp the ABCs. If you really do not like burping sounds, leave now. Okay. So the thing is that ABCs is kind of long. It's gonna take me a while. So if this video is awfully longer than all my other videos combined, you'll know why, okay? And it's probably gonna get no views whatsoever because my last video that was long got like 12 views and was like 8 months ago. Okay. Dang it. So the thing is, I used to have this trick where I go and then I'll burp like for 10 seconds. Hopefully I can go like ABC breaker. I'm telling you guys, before I did this video, I tried it out. I got up to either M and N. Did anyone else hear that? Like, knock sound? Oh, whatever. Bye, guys.